This video is for people who have a credit card and already know that they should be making it work for them. So if you're looking to make your credit card work for you instead of the other way around, then keep watching. This video will show you how to get cashback on every purchase that you make with your credit card, in addition to showing you some ways that can help boost your savings account balance by using your credit card in the right way. There are several good reasons to use a credit card, not just for little purchases, but for all of your transactions. Here are a few. Sign-up bonuses. Bonuses include cashback, free hotel stays, and airline miles. The spending bonus is generally earned by spending a specific amount on the credit card within the first few months of having it. You can earn the bonus without paying extra interest if you meet the qualification and still pay off your debt. For signing up, some credit cards give redeemable points, miles, or simply cash. We consider these sign-up bonuses to be free money. Bonuses will vary depending on the type of credit card you choose, and annual fees are often the highest for those with the most attractive sign-up bonuses. There are frequent reward cards that have a fee and a membership program, meant to offset if you use it enough. However, be sure not to focus just on the sign-up bonus. Think about how and when you'll utilize the card. Rewards. It's crucial to understand what constitutes a rewards card before we get into credit cards' rewards programs. A reward card is one that gives you the chance to earn money back, points, or miles on your purchases. You get the same number of rewards on every purchase, as with flat rate rewards, as well as bonus rewards on certain categories, such as higher earning rates when eating out. You can get rewards only on new transactions, not balance transfers or cash advances. A point system is used by many credit cards to allow you to gain rewards when you use your card. Credit card companies frequently run special promotions in specific sectors, such as frequent places you shop, in the attempt to lure you to spend. American Express will team up with a retailer and offer a significant amount of rewards that can tempt the most disciplined shopper. This way, your purchases will provide you with more benefits than usual. Mileage rewards cards are the alternative, where you get points for traveling. Equally another popular choice. These generally have generous sign-up bonuses, and the rewards you earn can help you save money on your vacation. Furthermore, many of these cards provide benefits for traveling, such as insurance benefits. Cashback. The cashback credit card is a type of credit card that offers rewards in exchange for your money. The credit card company will give you money back for every pound or dollar you spend with these cards. You may also get cashback cards that give you the money back for each purchase. So, as you spend money, you'll receive a check in the mail, a credit to your account, or money off your Amazon purchases. Because of their simplicity, you don't have to worry about points or exchange rates. Simply use the card and earn money. They're becoming increasingly popular among consumers. The best cards pay back around 5% of your purchase for the first 3 months, which could be worth £380 a year to a typical household. Should I get a cashback credit card? Get a cashback card if you can pay off your credit card debt in full each month. You'd rather receive cashback than collect points on a potentially more valuable rewards card. Don't get a cashback card if you're in a pickle and your money is running out. You'll need to clear some cash to make these purchases, but you won't be able to do so entirely. In this situation, a 0% purchase card is the way to go. You have outstanding credit card debt that is accruing interest. Build credit. A credit card can improve your credit score if you use it appropriately. A good credit score allows you to obtain easy access to finance. If you've damaged your credit history or don't currently have a credit score, applying for a credit card may be one of the finest methods to start building your score. The 3 main credit card bureaus receive notifications of your payments from credit card companies. As a result, good financial habits will help you build a positive credit history in the long run. Convenience and safety. Credit cards are accepted by nearly everyone, and there are times when you can't use your debit card. When you're renting a vehicle, for example. Because it's simpler to charge consumers who use credit cards for any ensuing losses, car rental companies prefer customers that pay for services using credit cards. It's possible to rent a vehicle and pay for it with a debit card. However, the car rental company can take hundreds of dollars as collateral. In addition, using a credit card for things like travel and automobile rentals can provide you with an added level of protection in the event of an emergency, such as injury, damage, or theft to your vehicle. There is no one-size-fits-all credit card. Your ideal card depends on your financial habits, personal preferences, and credit score. Use cards for everything. The more you charge on your credit cards, the easier it is to earn points. No, this isn't an invitation to start spending money on things you don't need. Instead, it's a nudge to use your credit card rather than cash or a debit card wherever feasible. For example, if you're in the market for a new car dealerships will allow you to put some or all of your car down payment on your card. You should begin looking for occasions when you may utilize a credit card instead of another payment approach. Millennials don't think twice when tapping their card to buy a Diet Coke at the convenience store. All these transactions will add up to a large rewards on a regular basis. However, if a merchant charges a charge for using your credit card, calculate the cost of the fees versus the amount of rewards you'll earn. It's not worth it if the costs outweigh the reward rate. Also, make sure to only use the card when you have sufficient money to pay off your balance. One charge to be wary of is overseas transaction fees. No rewards here. It's all too easy to get enthralled with the idea of using your card for everything, but don't let it get so far that you do things that don't benefit you in any way. This includes taking out cash advances and transferring balances on most credit cards. It's also worth noting that these services generally come with costs. Cash advances do not have a grace period, so interest begins accruing the moment your cash advance is received. Unless you absolutely need a balance transfer, leave it out. Pay off your balance in full each time. We can't stress this enough. There is no point getting rewards if you are going to pay late and get hit with high interest fees. The worst thing you can do with a rewards credit card is pay interest. It might reduce the value of your rewards or even wipe them out completely. Create and maintain a monthly budget. Only spend what you can afford to pay off. Maintain an emergency fund to cover any unanticipated expenditures that may arise. And avoid accumulating a deficit by using appropriate credit cards. Use your rewards the right way. If you have a cashback credit card, you may believe that your best redemption option is cash. However, this isn't always the case with certain cards. If you have a travel rewards credit card, you'll have an even better chance of getting the most out of your present points. You may look for the cheapest hotels and flights for your journey if it's a basic travel card. If you want to save money on your next trip, look for a credit card that will allow you to use points or miles for airfare. Rewards cards have a lot to offer, but they may require some additional effort and brainpower to get the most out of them. And if you do it properly, you might earn hundreds of dollars, if not thousands, in rewards each year. Begin by comparing the top rewards credit cards and selecting the ones that are ideal for you. Then research these methods to increase the benefits you get from them. What is the ideal credit card for you? Only you can decide, as only you know your lifestyle and spending habits and patterns. All we can say is be sensible when handling credit. If you want to learn more about earning money, why not subscribe to our channel for weekly videos on ways to earn money online? And don't forget to hit the notification bell. Be sure to check the description box for links to good credit card providers.